Hello my friends, this is the video that I made on NIO just 5 days ago, to be precise on April 14 of this year, when the price of this asset was, as you can see right here, at $3.52. And at this very point my main assumption was that we have to retest this yellow line at $3.63 mark, and then we potentially might have a rejection, and then we might see the retest of this range. And guys, take a look right here. We were at this point, we retested this range of resistance, had a rejection, and we are in consolidation phase right under this crucial level, $3.63. If I switch to, let's say, 2 hours time frame or even 3 hours time frame, let me show you somewhere here. Yes, on 4 hours time frame we have just a week above this yellow line, and this is another evidence how important to know what levels might be crucial for certain assets and what ranges of support and resistances we might have. And this information and this knowledge you can find in my Patreon group. And if you want to know more about technical analysis, if you want to enhance your trading skills, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel and join my Patreon account. And for now, guys, I have 3 tiers. It is Discord Access tier, Safe Haven, and Gold tier. And if you want to just be in line with all the latest news and with the most recent actions and potential upcoming actions of the US stock market, it is more than enough to join just Discord Access. If you want me to cover your personal position, and if you want me to create a plan for you to invest in stock market, Safe Haven is for you. The only difference in between these 2 tiers is that on Safe Haven tier you will have a monthly 30-minute Zoom call session with me. And the Gold tier is for people who want to take the most from my experience and from my knowledge. And in this tier you will have a 30 minutes weekly Zoom call with me, where I will teach you how to beat the market. On top of that, guys, for the members of this tier, I will give my personal signals where to enter and where to leave the position. I will do it when market conditions are more predictable for swing positions. So, and let me give you a sneak peek on the Discord group. You can see that I publish a lot of updates on the market, and as you can see, I even make predictions of its upcoming movements. And if you follow my channel for quite some time, you know that I have a very high level of experience in this type of trades. And guys, in this Discord group, I explain a lot to my patrons, and I do a lot of technical analysis on demand on different assets. Here is the general sentiment of the market on April the 10th. Here is INTC, ISRG, here is JDR, KLB, MSTR, and other ticker symbols. You can see that I do it pretty much 2 or 3 times a week. And all of my community members know how to benefit out of these market conditions.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
So guys, and what is this level about? We had a very good bounce out of this level back in end of March, and right here we retested it for the second time at the very beginning of April, on April the 3rd. And this is the crucial level for NIO, because back in the days it was the range of support that this asset touched twice. First of all, it was touched it on April 16th of last year, literally 1 year ago. And the second time was right here on August the 8th of last year. And this is a quite crucial level, because this level might be the level from which we might have substantial movements. And what type of these movements might be, I will show you within just several minutes. And for now, let's take a look at some fundamentals. First of all, I want to pay attention to the consensus analyst price targets, and according to market beats, it's set at roughly $5 mark. And if you take a look right here, the lowest price target is set at $3.5, and the highest one is set at $8.1. And guys, $3.5 is the range where we are now. That is why, guys, not so many analytic firms expect to see lower prices, at least in the medium-term perspective. Definitely, we might see some fluctuations in price around these levels, and in just several minutes, I will show you what is my opinion on this price action and what potential levels we should break in order to see its bullish movement, and what levels should hold in order to remain at least partially bullish. So let's take a look at more fundamentals, and right here on cnedpost.com you can find that NIO officially launches its first model of sub-brand. NIO Firefly, as you can see, launched first model, starts at $16.41 and this is tiny model, but the price is really low. This means, guys, despite the fact that the gross vehicle margin for this particular model might be not the highest one, but if they can sell a lot of vehicles, in this case, it might be an improvement in their financials. And guys, to be honest, for now, I don't know what are their most recent results in terms of insurance registrations, because this website didn't post this news for some reasons. That is why, guys, I cannot tell you, at least in the short-term perspective, what potential catalyst we might have, because we don't know the general sentiment for EV market, and we don't have the sentiment of the sales on this EV market for the last couple of weeks. That is why, guys, we are in quite shady territory. So on top of that, let me show you this update. If you type in Google search bar NIO Stock and switch to New Stock folder, you will find several news, and this news grabs my attention. It was published just a couple of days ago, and it's titled "Where will NIO Stock be in 1 year?" And to be honest, usually I don't like this type of titles, because 1 year it is a very long period of time, and you can rely only on the smaller time frames in order to predict or to find out its potential movement within next, I would say, from weeks to couple of months. But in general, this article is quite interesting, because you can find that technically speaking, NIO is at its lowest valuation, and it doesn't have a lot of room to go to the downside. From the financial standpoint, they have a lot of money to operate. They just recently closed another round of financing, and yes, it was a delusional process, but for now they have more than enough to operate for at least several, I would say, couple of years, let's put it this way. That is why, guys, we have to rely on the general sentiment of the EV market in China, because for now it is very difficult for Chinese companies to sell their vehicles in Europe and in United States of America. And we know that NIO had a plan to sell their vehicles in the United States, but for now, with the most recent tariff wars, and with the intention of Donald Trump's administration to help their own auto manufacturers, definitely NIO might not have a chance to enter the US stock market. But nevertheless, let's continue with the technical analysis. And before we dive deeper right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell, and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, what should we expect next? I have to admit that if my breakdown is correct, and you know that we completed or almost completed the entire structure from this top that was established on March the 12th, and since then this asset went lower. It lost about 44% of its value within just 22 days, but for now it has at least a bounce. And definitely it is too early to say that this bounce is the trend reversal point. The confirmation of this trend reversal will be breakout above its previous swing highs, and we have to break at least this range. But it might be a very good contender to be this trend reversal price action. And what is the crucial level, guys? For now, the crucial level is still the same. It is this $3.63 price point. And as long as this pivot holds, we have all the chances to see this breakout. Because to be honest, I think let's switch to hourly time frame. This price action that gained back about 21% of its value within just 5 trading sessions, I think it has all the chances to be an impulsive wave, because we don't have a lot of overlapping structures, and technically speaking, yes, this is just 3 waves out of 5 waves, and it might be another A, B, and C. And if so, guys, this price action should break this bottom. It will confirm that we have to see at least one more leg to the downside. But otherwise, guys, we might have this as 1, 2, 3. This might be the wave 4, and we might have another leg to the upside that should break this range of resistance at $3.63, and that should retest at least this previous swing high. Guys, if this happens on the retracement, because we right after any 5-wave movement to the upside, we have to see at least simple zigzag that should unload this structure. We have to see this type of retracement, and depending on the structure, on the volume, and on the crucial levels of support, we might anticipate its next movement. And for now, guys, I'm leaning towards a more bullish scenario, because potentially, yes, it has to have some kind of attempt to break this range of resistance, and depending on the next several sessions, we might anticipate that the trend could be more bullish. So, I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gone live it up on the attack.